The sun, the moon, the stars live in my eyes. I close my eyes, I see the darkness inside. You can say to me, you see the moon. You can say, you see the sunlight. You can say, last night you see the stars. But until I see what I supposed to see, you see for yourself, and I see for myself. Ooh. Don't you see, my brother is my heartbeat. Don't you see, your brother is your heartbeat. But now your brother came to me, and my brother go to you. You have my eyes, and I have your eyes. So what is the future? How can you think when you send your brother to me, and I send my brother to you? How can we see things the way we supposed to see? You see for me, I see for you. What is the mind without the eyes? That's supposed to be the judgment of the day. Don't you see? Your eyes belongs to you, and my eyes belongs to me. And now I'm trying something else every day. I try to see if I stay inside of me, will I find my eyes for myself? I stay inside of me every day to see what I will find. For the rest of my days, no one believe me, but this time I like to find out what is the difference when you stay inside of me. For the rest of my life, will I see the brightest star? Will I see the sunlight? Will I see the moonlight? Will I see everything I'm supposed to see when I live inside of me every day? I don't give my pleasure away from me. Just eat what I have, listen to music from everyone else when I can.